Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty by January. I am January. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing my curl kit for the month of October. So I'm going to be showing you all the great stuff that I got inside of the October curl kit. If you want to see me unbox that curl kit, then make sure you stick around for the rest of the video. Like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you're able to know when I'm uploading those videos. See you in the video. So let's get into the video. So this is the curl kit here. That's what it looks like. And let me open it up so y'all can see what's in it. And it comes with the tissue paper, pink tissue paper. Comes with the Curl Life mag, the magazine here. First item is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Facial Wipes with frankincense and myrrh. And these are great for like removing makeup or if you're like leaving the gym or something like that. These are really good for that. I've never used these particular ones, but just makeup wipes in general or facial wipes in general, I typically will use them to either remove makeup or, like, let's say I'm sweating throughout the day, then, you know, I go to something like this. So these are good to have on hand. This comes with 30 wipes. Okay, the next product that I got is by Sunny Owl. It's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pure Butter. It says first ever to convert Jamaican black castor oil into pure butter. That's interesting. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, it is solid. And this is a full-size product. The wipes is also full-size as well, so none of this stuff appears to be miniature sized. And it says this particular product is good to apply to the scalp daily for hair growth. It's also good for psoriasis, eczema, scars, acne, blemishes, stretch marks. Wow, so this has a lot of uses. I'm definitely gonna check this out. So the next product I have is Dark and Lovely Au Naturel Anti-Shrinkage Clumping Curl Cream Gel. That's like a mouthful to say, but it looks like this. And I'm a little disappointed that I got this because I got a box from them maybe 3 months ago and they had this in there before. So, and I haven't even got a chance to use that one yet to determine if I don't even know if I like this or not. So I don't really like the fact that they're repeating products. So I don't know. Hopefully I like this. If not, I'm probably gonna have to give it away to somebody or something because now I have two. So that's that. Hopefully it's good. If it's good, I won't be mad. I'll be like, okay. But if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna be like, So I also got from Sunny Owl the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and this is just the regular Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and that's what that looks like. It says it's good to use. You can use it as like a pre-shampoo hot oil treatment. You can also just apply it on your scalp. So that's a nice product as well. And last but not least, I've got Coils by Nature Ultra Moisturizing Cocoa Aloe Deep Conditioner with Argan Oil. And so that's that. A deep conditioner. I actually don't have a lot of deep conditioner, so I'm glad that they sent me one. So that's everything in the box. I will definitely be trying out these products. The curl kit is really nice because it's only $20 a month, so you can't beat that price. So be sure to check it out. I will put a link down in the description box. Thanks so much for sticking around for the video, and that concludes this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Love ya. Smooches. Oh, you have to subscribe. You make sure you subscribe and share and like and hit the bell notification. Okay? All right. Later.